BLACKBERRY Motion. Let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the secret code. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's activate the keypad. Here let's use the secret code *pound 2886 pound. As you can see, the hardware test mode pops up. Let's choose here manual, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose here factory reset. So if you would like to erase all data from your phone internal storage, if you would like to delete all personal data, customize settings and install apps, let's choose reset. Tab yes to confirm the operation, and the device right now is performing the hard reset operation, so let's wait until the process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start to simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.